Here's your Sunday though, very warm in the morning.
Quick video, guys. I got this egg today.
Mostly after 6 p.m. on your Sunday.
And oh my goodness.
Tonight, in a movement across the nation, from D.C. to Chicago to right here in Greensboro, people demonstrated against President Donald Trump in more than 1,200 cities with the hand.
That's crazy, ain't it? If y'all know about chicken eggs, y'all know that's probably double or more the size of a regular one. And my dumbass hit it. You see that crack? So a little bit of it oozed out already too. So it was even heavier. But I just want to show y'all a huge chicken egg because I ain't never seen one that big, and I hope that chicken is okay afterward. Y'all ready to come in, babies? Bug! Hey, OG. Oh, there's Foggy. A little blueberry. Little blueberry. Tab. Rock. He's got one of the biggest cones I've ever seen. A good half-inch of it, even off the tips, was frostbitten and fell off, so it was even huge. I'd swear he could have won a competition for if they had him for that. And that baby is a girl with spurs, so that's weird. But yeah, 2 roosters sleeping up here, 2.5. I don't know what's up. Go potty! Potty and come on, babies! Say Mommy Chase! Where's Mommy Chase at? Where's Mommy Chase at, 7? Where your mommy at? Little blueberry. Little blueberry. Little blueberry. You like that cat blue? I know.